What is up? It is Jordan from By 9 to 5 helping you say goodbye to your 9 to 5. And if you can't tell, I just got a brand new camera. It is a Canon EOS M50 and I am in love with it so far. I also got a brand new microphone. It's a boom microphone made by Rode, R-O-D-E. Super nice. And so I do have links in the description down below if you're interested in checking out what they look like or how much they cost. They are pretty expensive, but I'll let you take a look at it and see what you think. And I also have a brand new light system coming in, the ones that a lot of YouTubers use, the ones with the big studio lights that come in from both sides, which is on the big stands. And so I'm looking forward to getting that as well. Those are supposed to be in tomorrow, and so I'll probably get those set up Sunday or Monday because I will be out of town tomorrow going to Kansas City to the Kansas City Chiefs playoff game. That's on Saturday against the Indianapolis Colts. So really looking forward to a Chiefs playoff game. It's my first ever NFL playoff game. Been supporting them all year. Been to, I don't know, 4 or 5 Chiefs games this year, and so looking forward to seeing them in the playoffs. Hoping they win and the Patriots win so that they can play each other in the AFC Championship next Sunday at Arrowhead. It'd be awesome to see Tom Brady and the Patriots against the Chiefs going for a Super Bowl win, so looking forward to hopefully doing that as well. And so I got this new camera, loving it so far. We're just in the living room right now testing it out with the natural light source in here. And oh, guess what? I do have other rooms, guys. I have more than just that room. I told you guys I have a couch. There's a couch right there. I even have a 65-inch TV and a PS4. Look at that. I even have a clock. Wow. So for those of you who are saying, you know, you didn't think I had any furniture, I do, just not in my computer room where I play virtual reality, where I play Oculus Rift. Told you guys that. And so now I just thought it would be fun to show you guys kind of a different side of my life here. And so I plan on being a lot more open and transparent with you guys now that I have this new camera, kind of documenting my day, more of a vlog style. I will be doing videos just like I normally do, but also on top of that, doing some vlogs. And I do go on a lot of trips, a lot of camping and hiking trips ever since I quit my job, but I never really record it. But now that I have this new camera, I definitely plan on making videos from the road for you guys, letting you see what I'm up to on a day-to-day basis. And so let me know in the comments, are you guys excited about that? Would you like to have me do more of a vlog style every once in a while, especially when I go on trips and things like that, to give you guys live updates from the road of what I'm doing on a day-to-day basis? Let me know in the comments what you think. Do you enjoy that? Does that sound cool and exciting to you guys? Let me know, please. And so beyond that, I'm still going to be making videos with my computer and everything like I normally do. But I told you guys I was going to be upping the content in 2019. So I want to update the quality for you guys as well as the quantity of how often I post. I think this camera will help me post on days where I'm busy and things like that because I can just take it with me in the car or whatever I'm doing. So I'm hoping that this will make better quality for you guys as well. And so for those of you who are here to find out how to make money on YouTube, that's what I'm usually all about. And so I do have you know, 3 channels where I download and repost videos to make money on YouTube. And as you guys know, 2018 I was able to make over $400,000 just downloading and reposting videos on 3 different channels with 3 different niches, not counting this channel By 9 to 5. In a second, we are going to go into the computer and I'm going to show you guys some more examples of how you can do this. And I'm also going to show you guys a really exciting student testimonial that is really going to blow your minds. And so we'll go ahead and go into the computer and take a look. Alright guys, we are back here in the computer room where we normally are, and the lighting, like I said, isn't as good today as it's going to be in my next video once I get the whole lighting system in here. But I'm going to be able to make videos just like I used to be able to inside the computer. So let's go ahead and take a look here at some things I want to show you guys. So first of all, I've had a lot of students lately jump in the course, and so I appreciate every single one of you who have been jumping in and enjoying the course. I've been getting a lot of great feedback from you new students, and it's been great to meet all of you. And a lot of my students right now, guys, are getting approved with my method. So I have a method for you basically make one video of yourself doing anything, or your face doesn't even have to be on it at all. And then you upload that, and then basically I have a technique for getting that one video the numbers it needs to get to the review like that, okay? So basically, within a week, you will be into the review. And I've had a ton of students get monetized channels doing this same technique. I teach it inside the courses. They're in both courses, so whichever one you choose, that guide will be there. I'm also updating the courses with a couple more new things regarding what I just said. As well as basically the way of getting monetized instantly and the way of getting to the review and passing it quickly. I am updating both of those inside the course after this video. So be on the lookout for those updates as well. Like I said, I'm always going to be updating the course with new information that I learn. But I've had a ton of students who have actually been, getting into the review. And so we're going to take a look here. So as you can see here, here's one student. YouTube is really speeding up the review process. 2 new channels approved within 9 days. So he's had 2 channels approved in 9 days, guys. So it took him 9 days to get to the review and then pass it. And so that's one of my students right there inside the private Facebook group. And here's another one here. Monetize after a 10-day review. So they've really been speeding up the review process, and if you do what I teach, you're going to get to the review very quickly. Once you get past monetization, guys, it blows up, okay? You'll start making money very quickly. Because once you get approved for monetization, you can pretty much post whatever you want. And then, again, I teach you inside the course exactly what to post, what not to post, how to do it, all of those sort of things. And then here is Zachary again. He had a second channel approved. It only took him 10 days to get into the review. And keep in mind, these are not people who are making their own videos. They're people they're making one video. And they're not trying to rank it. They're not trying to do any of that. My technique gets the views and subscribers you need every single time, gets you to the review, and obviously gets you past the review very quickly. So you don't have to build a channel for 2 months getting 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours. All you do, and this method is going to cost you like $10 or $15, and then you make one video, put it up, get the views you need, get the watch time you need, and you're gonna get a first one. And so these are, I got 3 different niches that I'm showing you guys right now. The first one is Sick Edits HD. And so as you can see here, this channel just makes edits, sports edits. And so as you can see here, they're all monetized. And all he does is do, once again, edits of videos. And so I think he just takes a bunch of clips, but he edits them together. And once again, they're just compilations. They just have the normal commentary, and all of those sort of things. And inside the masterclass, I teach you guys how to get around bots and things like that that might stop you from doing things like this. And so as you can see here, he's making a ton of money, okay? And you might say, okay, but the bots might be claiming some of it, and it might be going to NFL, or it might be going to, whoever owns the broadcast, things like that. Sometimes that's the case, okay? But the thing is, once you get like so many views and so many subs, which this is like a really good niche for getting subs and things like that, even in an hour of posting the video, if it doesn't get claimed for the first hour, you can make $2,000 in the first hour on that video if it goes up. So that's the thing. It might take a day or 2 to get claimed sometimes. And of course, some of them aren't going to get claimed at all. But the ones that do, obviously, if you have enough subscribers and you're getting enough views and you make it go viral, it's going to get like $2,000 in the first hour, first day before it gets claimed. And you get to keep all the money that you make on a video before it gets claimed. So you have nothing to worry about as far as that. You just post a video. Maybe it takes 3 hours to get claimed. You make $1,000. As soon as it gets claimed, you can leave it up, post a different video. 2 hours later, it could or could not get claimed. You get another $1,000. So that's $2,000 in a day. And then, so sports highlights are a little more like that. The other niches I'm going to show you, I mean, you almost never get claimed. And then if you do what I teach in the masterclass, you're not going to have to worry about that at all. And you know, and then also inside the masterclass, I teach you exactly what videos to download with a special license. And that license allows you to repost without even having to worry about claiming and things like that. But it's just when we're getting into sports highlights and stuff that's on TV, there's a little more you have to do, a little more hoops you have to jump through, clearly. But it also can make you the most money. And so obviously along the way, there's going to be videos that don't get claimed, and those are going to make you $6,000, $7,000, $10,000 as they continue to grow. So obviously that's a really good niche here. So this sick edits highlight, 25,040,226 times, I always do times 0.10 if 10% click-through rate if you post a video every like 2 minutes or something like that, and then multiply by 3 cents a click. And that right there is $75,000, guys. $75,000 is what I estimate this channel has made so far. And then Joseph Vincent, this is just another one. He makes really good montages, and I really want you to take a look at the thumbnails he does. The thumbnails are great. Kobe Bryant, the Black Mamba career documentary. Okay, and then he even made a part 2, part 3, part 4. Okay, and look, I want you to study the thumbnails and things like that. But again, he just took together a bunch of clips, him in the slam dunk contest. Earlier it was him getting drafted, people talking about him, people talking to him. And so you mix all these edits together, and the thing is with these, they probably don't get claimed as often because these are older videos. So these are older videos that YouTube wasn't really around yet. They didn't really have the, you know, bot system, things like that. So in this case, you know, he's using older clips that are really helping. And then there's a lot of editing going into it. And so he's doing a really, really good job. And so I estimate here 147, 230, 210 times 0.10 times 0.03. This channel is probably made over $400,000, guys. So then we're going to keep on moving on here and take a look at Lieutenant Loft. So he just posts things, people talking, podcasts, things like that. Bill Burr on Trump's hair. And again, it has ads, so he's definitely making money for sure. Bill Burr, we have Joe Rogan clips, things like that. A lot of people doing Joe Rogan, getting a lot of money on it. Joe Rogan watches Michael B. Jordan. So he's doing a really good job, and he's just doing, you know,